Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Do you dread dry, tough chicken breast? Say goodbye to disappointing dinners and hello to incredibly juicy, tender chicken every single time. It is simpler than you think to achieve that perfect moist texture. We will guide you through a few straightforward steps that truly elevate your cooking. These simple changes ensure your chicken is always delicious and never bland again. Get ready to transform your meals tonight. Our journey to perfect chicken starts with smart preparation. First, pound your chicken breasts to an even 1-inch thickness. This simple step ensures that every part cooks uniformly, preventing those frustrating dry spots. Next, season generously. Don't be shy with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. A well-seasoned breast makes all the difference in achieving a flavorful, delicious final product every time you cook. Now for the cooking magic. Heat a good pan to medium-high with a touch of oil. We want a nice sear. Place your chicken in the hot pan, searing for about 5 to 7 minutes per side until it develops a beautiful, golden brown crust. The most important step is using a meat thermometer. Aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This guarantees it's perfectly cooked and deliciously safe. You've cooked it beautifully, but don't cut into it just yet. Resting your chicken is a non-negotiable step for maximum juiciness. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, rather than escaping onto your board. When you do slice, make sure to go against the grain for the most tender, delightful bite possible. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you now possess the secrets to consistently cooking the most tender, juicy chicken breast every single time. No more guesswork, just delicious results. These methods will truly transform your chicken dishes, turning everyday meals into culinary delights. Experiment with your favorite seasonings, pair it with your preferred sides, and simply enjoy your perfectly cooked, flavorful chicken tonight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.